I just wanted to show you this awesome electric scooter, and the tires are pretty sweet looking in the back. They're non-puncture tire type tires too, so yeah. Still gonna take the plastic off the reflectors and stuff like that. And a little bit snowy out there, so I kind of just gave her a quick whip in the living room, so I don't recommend that, but I just wanted to kind of try this out. And definitely awesome. It's got turning signals, kickstand, little lights on the side. It's pretty easy to operate. Reflectors in the front. Nice super bright light in the front. It just that turns the light on. You want to press it in, you want to go walking mod or change the gears, you just press it in twice right fast, or you want to go slow. But here's where you press the gas. But yeah, definitely awesome. And here's turning signals. When you're riding, don't blink. But yeah, definitely awesome. Anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick live look, and wherever you're watching from, have a great morning or a great evening, and thanks for watching my video review.
Okay. Careful. Bye.